Hello, I'm back. Welcome. My name is Elizabeth Rabal and I'm with Mata and Baker Tax Consultants. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to submit your Florida sales and use tax return. Not your federal income tax return. This is different. This is a tax return which is usually done either quarterly, every 3 months, or monthly, depending on your filing frequency. Remember, you have your income tax return with the IRS, then you have your lovely taxes with your state. In this case, this is for Florida only, DR15. So let's get into it. Okay, first thing is we're going to go to the Florida Department of Revenue website. You should know this by now, Florida Revenue. Oh, and if you haven't seen my first video on how to get your resale certificate, you're not going to be able to do this unless you have your resale certificate, unless you're actually registered with the Florida Department of Revenue. So if you don't have that, make sure to watch my first video and I show you exactly how to do that. So here we are on the website. We're going to go to General Tax, scroll down, File and Pay Taxes, Fees and Remittance. And we want to go to Sales and Use Tax. And here we can log in. So you're either going to log in with your user ID and password or your certificate number and business partner. Remember my first video, I gave you guys this lovely document. You should have saved all these important numbers because now these are the numbers are going to come in handy. Let's copy and paste the certificate number so I can log in. And business partner. This is a simple way to log in. If your user ID and password, you need to sign up for e-enrollment in order to have that. In another video, I'll show you how to do that, or you can call the Florida Department of Revenue and they can set that up for you over the phone. Log in. My lovely account. Next. Sales and use tax. DR15 sales and use tax return, file and pay. That's where we're going to click. And here is your DR15. So it's a very simple return, actually. It looks a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you exactly what you have to fill out. So I have another wonderful document here that I have linked below. This is a document I use in order to tally up all the figures and totals, and then I just copy and paste and put those totals. So for this client of mine, he had no sales in October, November, December. So this is going to be a blank return. It's going to be very easy. Everything is going to be 0. So let's go ahead and do that. We want to put, let's go back to this. What the Florida Department of Revenue wants to know is your gross sales, the total of all your sales that you had, then minus your exempt sales. Exempt sales means sales that are not taxable, whether you're selling it to a nonprofit or you're selling to another wholesaler or to, business to business sales. Those are not taxable. So you would include it there. Or maybe you also have certain products in your product line that are not taxable. Those would be exempt sales. So then once you subtract gross sales from exempt sales, you get your taxable amount and then your tax due. Usually your tax due is going to be anywhere from 6.5% up to 8.5%. The state of Florida charges 6% sales tax, but every county has their own tax percentage. So if you sold to a Hillsborough County, they have 2.5 county tax. So 6% plus 2%, 2.5% comes out to be 8.5%. So just keep them in mind. But usually it's going to be anywhere around 6.5% to 8.5%. Okay. Anyways, let's go back to the return. This is going to be very simple. Let's go ahead and fill this out. I'll put my information. Okay, so here we have gross sales, exempt sales, taxable amount, and tax due. It's going to be very simple. 0, 0, 0, 0. And Next, that's how you would file a DR-15 that had no sales in the quarter. Also, let me show you here, collection period. Please pay attention to this. If you don't pay attention to this, you may select the wrong collection period. For some of you, you're going to actually have that it's going to show to file every single month. This client, they're set up to file every quarter. So let's pick the right quarter, quarter 4 of 2020. I put my contact information. Everything is 0. Next. You can save and submit this later. We're going to go ahead and submit return now. Okay, we filed it. You want to make sure you get a confirmation number. Save for your records. What I do is print a PDF and save it. And that's how you complete your DR-15. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I will make a similar video to this one, but actually showing when you do have gross sales and you do have a tax due balance. It's going to require a few more steps. So it's not going to be as simple as this one, but please stay tuned and I will show you how to complete that one. And also don't forget, comment, like, subscribe on our video. We really appreciate the feedback. I especially appreciate all your feedback, especially from my previous video. I got a ton of comments, likes, subscribes. That has been wonderful. That's the best compliment we could receive. So thank you. And also, click the notification bell because that's going to update you and it's going to notify you as soon as we post a new video. So please. And if you need further assistance or if you're interested in accounting services, in us, possibly filing these on your behalf, you need help with your tax return or even opening up a new company, please email us at support@nbtaxconsultants.com. You can give us a phone call, 888-250-8960. Oh, and you guys got to check out our website. We have a brand new website and we even have courses on our website. So check it out, www.nbtaxconsultants.com. All right, stay tuned. Yeah.